get back into your Google account, if you forget your password or can't access it, you can add recovery phone number. If you're not using your old recovery phone number anymore, it's important to update it to keep your Gmail account safe. Here's how you can do it on a computer. So go ahead, open your Google account or open your Gmail application. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new tab. Now from this page, tap on Personal Info from the left-hand side of the screen, that is below Home option. Now under Contact Info, tap on Phone. Tap on Add Now option, which is highlighted in blue color. Confirm that it's really your account. Simply go ahead and enter the country code and then enter the number that you want to add and verify it using the code Google sends you, and you'll be done. Your recovery phone number will now be updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.